won't see your levels there and your max lines there. As long as it's close. It's a visual check. All you're looking at is on the engine and gearbox. You're looking anywhere for oil. The station floor is our best indicator for them.
Yep.
Open the front. There's a little lever there. That'll open the front up. That opens up. There's that lever there. Sits in there. Easiest way to check it is push on it.
Yeah, you can see it there.
Water level's there. If it was down about halfway, I'd say fill it. And while you're in there, it's just a matter of check. You just look at everything. Brake fluid is that one right there. So it's at maximum. Easiest way to tell is if they're loose, you'll see rust running off them.
Oh, okay.
Really? You'll notice the rust mark off them.
Yep.
That's your batteries. So the terminal's clean and the batteries are good. 5 blankets, your fire protection.
Yep.
Okay. Just got to make sure they're rolled properly and they're secure. Half of it's on the rear, half of it's on the front. So you've got to go through all the top. So your spotlights, work lights. Skirters and wipers. So that's hazard lights.
Yes, we can get you that. How long will you guys require it for?
Well, at this stage will be a day.
That's what we're going to look at. Siren. Cab pump controls. lot easier out of the side. So when you do it, yeah, always put your paw point to the top.
Yeah.
That way you're letting air in it. You need to photograph where that point is and the way the strap is, Ron.
Yep.
Because this is where people are strapping them up incorrectly. Because 72,
Yeah.
65.
Yeah. No.
See how they put it in correctly? Underneath the bar.
Yes.
And also, it's supposed to be behind this bracket.
And it's in front of it.
It's in front of it. Yeah, you got half tank in that. It doesn't need to be super tight. See, it's full. It does not need to be any tighter than that.
It's always left on?
Yep.
That should be down at an idle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Bracket here. There's another one at the back. We've got to be inside that as well. AED, first aid kit. The main thing they need to know in that. Extra cable set. All you're doing is checking, making sure there's no split cracks. All your seals are intact. Just to check on that, to make sure it's in. And just a note to put with the suction hoses, that the strainers do not come off. They are not to be removed. So when that goes back in for, I'll put the strainer to the outside. Turn it on. Breathing apparatus, that is for operators only really,
Yeah.
but we can check the cabin. Problem is, there should be 3 or 4 of these. 2, not 3. What we're going to try to do is square all those 38s up in the car. And they're upside down. These are all upside down.
Okay, when you say upside down, it's just like this.
Yeah, flip them over. Hang on, got to get those 2 out and do the same to them. Actually, just got to roll around. They roll around that, what you've got to try to do is cut your fittings. Do it right every time. Get all the hoses in. Your blue line is a percolating, your red line is a non-percolating hose. Ignition switch. So, you're looking at your RPM, oil pressure, and also look at that. One chainsaw, that's your two chainsaw. Alright, back in. So while you're up here, your hand tools, stop slow bats, brooms, shovels, axe, fern hooks, all that sort of stuff's there. And for them also your stack box, your welfare box, large bolt cutters and small. Fuel on.
Yep.
The ignition's on the on position. Choke, release the vent. Sometimes you're going to run it for a little bit, choke on. Yep. Fuel off, yep. Ignition back on. And the generator goes back in the spot. That's your odometer.
Yep.
Then you go over here.
Yep.
So you need to go up here.
Yep.
Which is, I've got to find the engine hours. Hours meter.
Yep.
1025.6.